Nest app not working. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your Play Store, tap on the bottom right corner on the search icon and search for Nest. Once you search for it, make sure to update the app if you haven't already and update the app to its latest version. If you see an update button instead of open right here, tap on it to update the app. That should fix your problem in most of the cases, but if it still does not fix your problem, then you have to clear the app cache. What you have to do is go ahead and open your app info and then scroll down until you see storage. And from here, you want to tap on clear cache. You can also try to clear all of its data to completely refresh the app. And once you do that, go back and head over to its permissions and make sure to allow all of these permissions because the app requires these to run smoothly. And once that is done, go to your battery uses and make sure that it's on optimized because it's best for both your app and your phone and will not consume all of your battery. But if it's on restricted, then the phone will restrict certain activities in the background. Once you do that, give your phone a quick restart and then you should be able to use the app normally. If you found the video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys on the next one.